To get free material texture for your Sketchup software, you can use the Lightbeans texture library. Go to extension sketchup.com and then download these Lightbeans plugins. After it, install into your Sketchup software. And after it will be show for these icons for the Lightbeans plugins. Click and you can searching for your texture. As example, I will use this texture. You can click the down arrows to download the texture material and will be show for the notifications. And the download is complete. Now you can see in the materials in your SketchUp, and you can click in models. This is for the new materials from the Lightbeans. And to apply, you can create like for the rectangle objects, use Pull Tools, and then select the material, click on the objects to apply. To resize, click Edit, and we can set like for size into 4000. And that's it. To get a free texture materials for your SketchUp software for this Lightbeans plugin.